Good morning. Happy Saturday. Make sure everything is rocking and rolling where it needs to be. I had to wait for Dobby, my Roomba, to stop. He was in the living room with me. The dog is in here with me. The teens are slowly moving around upstairs. Here we are. So hopefully you've had a good week. The weather hasn't been too bad. Today's supposed to be nasty though. I heard it's supposed to be really, really hot and stormy today. So we shall see. I got the cutest pedicure this week. So flippin' cute. And a massage. I tried on a dress for awards night. So when I go to SFR, I get to walk the stage several times. And some people dress up, some people don't. I usually don't. Last year I did wear a dress. I walk twice, I think. I walk at least twice. I could be walking more than that. I don't know. I don't pay any attention. I just walk when they tell me to walk the stage. But I did wear a dress last year and I was like, okay, let's see if I can find a dress. And I found a cute dress and it had this cute pink sweater over it. And I was like, okay, that's cute. So I go and try it on. Girl, I couldn't even get it zipped. I got it over my big butt, but apparently, y'all know I don't have big boobs. I could not, apparently I have big ribs because I couldn't, that much gap. There was no smooshing me into this dress. So it didn't fit. Then when I looked at the tag, I realized it was $88 and I was glad it didn't fit. Then I came home and I was telling Jeremy and Case about it. And she goes, ew. I was like, okay. Third reason I'm glad it didn't fit. I hate clothes shopping for things like that. I just do. So I don't know what I'm wearing. I mean, they're just gonna wear shorts, or I have one of those Reebok shorts skirts. There's shorts underneath the skirt, and it's a smidgen. It's not flowy. It's a little pencil skirtish. I was thinking about wearing that, flip flops, and a sleeveless shirt. In case he was like, no, she's sleeves. I think that's because she doesn't wear tank tops. But so I don't know. I don't know what I'm wearing. Nobody is there to see me walk on this stage. Nobody cares that I am walking on this stage. So it may just be shorts and a t-shirt. But I digress. Let's dive into what I used this week. I'll bring back my bars. And I did that on purpose so that we can try them out so that you guys still have plenty of time to order yours. Remember, end of the month. So here's what we got. Let's start. I did bedroom, bathroom, kitchen. Okay, so first up we did Ace because this scent is weird to me. So I was like, let's warm it and see if it's better. It was nothing remarkable, nothing I didn't hate it. But there was just nothing about it. Do you know what I mean? It was good, but there was nothing that was memorable about it. Then we did a coconut flower in the bedroom. This one was good. This one is spa-ish vibes and a little bit of salt water, but this one was nice. Matter of fact, this is what is going in the warmer right. It is already in the warmer right now, and it has been. And I was supposed to change my wax today, but I'm actually loving what I'm using everywhere except the kitchen. So I don't think I'm changing them. I think I'm just gonna wait till Monday. That's what I think. So, but this one is kind of oceany vibes. It's been really, really nice. It's one of those where you don't smell it as soon as you walk into the room, but once you get close to the warmer, you start to smell it. All right. Next, we went to the bathroom. Summer holiday. This one was big. It was almost a tiny bit too sweet for the bathroom, but we liked it anyway. But it was good. It was big. It was bold. It's a little fruity and a little sweet, but again, like I said, it was a nice change from lime and mint and clean and floral. So it was good. Now, Tahitian Black Orchid. That's what's in there right now. It reminds me of a fancy bathroom. A fancy hotel. I don't know what it is. I would not expect it to like this one because smelling it, I'm like, meh. Do you know what I mean? It's nothing remarkable. It's nothing exciting. Warmed up in the bathroom right now, it really is like that's what it feels like. My bathroom is not fancy. It needs to be redone. I hate my bathroom. Like, I refuse to clean it because I hate it. So Jeremy cleans it because I'm like, I don't like it. It truly, it just reminds me, I don't know if it's a cleaner that, like an industrial cleaner that someplace, it's like a public bathroom, but not in a gross way. Like a public, really nice hotel, really nice conference center, like a really nice bathroom. That's what it reminds me of. I don't know if maybe it's their soap that they use. I don't know. But it's really, really good. Not anything like I would have expected it. So then we went into the kitchen next. And we did red pear and pomegranate. Which again, big, bold, good, bubbly. It's got the nose bubbles in it. But it's been really, really, really nice. Then we switched to candy D&D, which I'm kind of meh about. It's just... It's almost... I'll be honest, I wish I would have swapped this one with the office here. It's on the lighter side of things. My kitchen is kind of big, so it's kind of gotten lost in the kitchen. It's good, but you need it in a smaller area. Then we moved to the desk. Big, bold scents. I probably should have swapped and did these into the kitchen because the living room is much smaller. So we did grapevine first. It was good. It reminded me of grape Kool-Aid, but I like Fear better from the Inside Out collection. And I think everybody's consensus is that. Like, anybody who's gotten this scent or likes grape scents, everybody has liked Fear better than this one. If you see that Inside Out collection, come back into the clearance section or come back, get it. Don't ask me questions. Don't question it. Throw your money away and get it. Okay? Every scent in it is a banger. This one is good. It's just... She was big. It reminds me of, remember back when we were kids and you got the Hubba Bubba bubble gum in those big cubes and you would chew it and you would get all like juicy and then the flavor is gone. It reminds me of like right at the end, like when you first start chewing it, it's super, super grapey, you know, and you're like, this is amazing. And then you can start to tell when the flavoring is going to go away. That is what this is. It's like the end of the grape. It's still good. It's just the end of it. Does that make sense? It's not a huge, huge, huge grape. And it's very bubblegum, open up a pack of Kool-Aid type of grape. But it's still good. But that's where I'm at with that one. Then, strawberry taffy. Holy crapola. That is what is in my warmer now. She is strong. Like, I wish I would have put this one in the kitchen instead of Candy Dandy just because of the strength. She's big, like big pink starburst vibes, very large here in this living room. Big. If you like that, you need to get this. It's a big scent. Very good. Just, I wish I would have swapped them. Do you know what I mean? Because my living room is smaller than my kitchen. So, nothing. The only one that I'll be honest that I was disappointed in is Ace. The rest of them have been really good in their own completely different way. I did not hate any of them. Ace was just the only one. Like, it's kind of satin sheets vibe, which we love satin sheets, but darker. Like, muskier? Maybe that's the word. I don't know if that's the word. It's just different. It's satin sheets, but like leatherier maybe. And not nearly as big. It's still good. It was just, I think I wanted more from it. I think too, I had a preconceived notion of it because the whole chocolate in it, like it says it has chocolate in it and it's just like throwing me off in my head a little. So I was like, so I think maybe I didn't particularly like it because I thought I wasn't going to like it. Does that make sense? Like, do you know how our brain does that? But other than that, all good. The surpriser was the Tahitian Black Orchid. And like I said, I don't know what people in those public places, I don't know if it's their soap that they're using, their cleaner that they're using, but you know what I'm talking about. There's just a smell in the high-end, not that I go to high-end places, but in a high-end like hotel public bathroom or a conference center's public bathroom after it's been cleaned. Like, there's just something, like, it truly smelled like that. That's what I smelled like. I know that sounds such a weird description, but that's where we're at. It was good. And I would have never got that from this. Like, smelling it from here, it's light, and it's just like, meh, it's nice, but it's light. Like, it was nothing exciting. Shocked. Purely shocked. When I warmed it, it's so much better warmed. So much better warmed. So, yeah. That's what we use this week. I need to put a scent circle in my car to get me through until we leave for SFR. Let's pick that out now. Let's pick that out right now. I know which one I'm using when we go on our trip. I do know that because her and I are very, very similar in what we like. So I've been holding that one. So I'm going to pull that out. Oh, luck of the rainbow, I love you. Maybe that. This is hard. I don't want bakery vibes in my car, I don't think. So I'm either going to do lemon, sugar, sage, or bonfire beach in the car. I think I'm going to do bonfire beach. I'm going to do bonfire beach in the car. I'm going to put that in the car. I have to do deliveries today, so we're going to put this on my pile. I got to do deliveries today. I'm kind of excited because it's like my first delivery day of my new car. But yeah. Trying to think, do we do anything else? We didn't really do anything else. I will be changing my pod out in my car and my scent circle out in my car for SFR when we leave for that, which will be on the 27th, which is my birthday. I'll be spending the day driving, but things will get changed out then. Order going in Monday. Here's the deal. Order is going in Monday. You have to look at all those bundles. Please make sure you take the time to go to my site or message me. Amber, what bundles are you talking about? There are 21, it's 10 bars, 21% off. There's the Christmas in July bundle that is 50% off. There is a Scentsy Go Swipes bar and pod bundle that's like 10, 15 bucks off. There's several other bar bundles. And I understand that sometimes you're like, well, these bar bundles are put together because either the scents go together or they're like vibed together. And I know one is called the GOATS bundle, meaning the greatest of all time. And those are our top selling scents of all time. I'm pulling them up, hold on. So we have, the GOATS bar bundle, 10% off. Baked apple pie, black raspberry, vanilla, blueberry cheesecake, clean breeze, Luna, and welcome home. That's like the OGs, the originals, the like top selling ones. We have a sip back and relax bar bundle, which are all drink and summer vibes: key lime and grapefruit, lemon lime fizz, paradise punch, peach grapefruit mimosa, pina colada cha-cha. Oh, that one's so good. Pink pineapple sugar. So like drinky tropical vibes. That's a good one. Scoop, there it is all the ice cream ones. So all of these scents kind of go together and work together. Blueberry cheesecake, lemon sorbet, mocha doodle, rainbow sherbet, vanilla bean buttercream, and berry vanilla. That's like the bakery vibes too. Then there is, the Chasing Sunsets is Swipes Go. Oh, I didn't even realize that. It's Swipes Go and flipping 6 pods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 daggone pods. It's got Squeeze the Day Swipes, the Scentsy Go. Then you have By the Sea, Lake My Day, Provence Lavender, which is a good lavender, Sippin' Poolside, Squeeze the Day, and Sun Castles. Oh, those are some really, really good scents. Like, those are good. Then we have the Christmas in July bundle, which again, 50% off. It has that iridescent prism snowman warmer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars and 3 scent circles, all in Christmas scents, and they're good. They're good. And that's 50% off at $50. Then we have the Namaste All Day bundle, which is Just Breathe Scentsy Soak, which is amazing when you're sick because it's that like Vicks vapor rub type of smell, and even if you're not a bath person, because y'all know I'm not a bath person, if you put the stopper in when you take a shower and you stick it in, you're still going to get the scent. And it really, really is helpful when you don't feel good. But Just Breathe Scentsy Soak, the Alabaster Mini Warmer, and 3 bars. That's $22, people. $22. The warmer alone is $25. The warmer alone is $25. Oh, the 21 bar bundle is out of stock. That's out of stock. So, but yeah, those are some amazing bundles. I do have an order going on Monday, so if there's anything that you need, if you need to get your Bring Back My Bars, let me know. And we'll get those ordered. Things are selling out like crazy lately because so much stuff is leaving, and then the new catalog is starting September 1st. So things are like, they're scooting out. So if you need something, excuse me, please holler at me, and we'll go from there. So I will talk to you later.